YouTube wars. Wow. These wars rock. It's about YouTubes and YouTube calling each other news-making videos or each other. It's so much fun we make videos out of other niches. It's too bad these wars progress. Do you know he likes YouTube wars? It's easy. He likes to make videos out of YouTube saying calling names. My check I like to. And do you know names these fun wars? YouTube war in 2015. Gave the style these never existed. Haha. One idiot. So yeah. YouTube wars rock. I'm Soldier Grounded Wars. We have YouTube/Grounded Wars and Fab videos. Grow so many time wars. And you're sick. Turfy. Did you salute on YouTube wars? Sorry guys, the turfy is grounded. Turfy. How dare you salute on YouTube wars? You know these wars are so stupid and violent for YouTube terms very stupid and deadly. But no, I like them because it teaches their stupid boneheads, so I'll make videos out of you. You're grounded for 2, 3, 8, 5, 9, 6, 2, 4, 3, 7, 5, 8, 4, 2, 3, 8, 9, 5, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 9, 2, 3, 8, 6 years. Go to bed now.